this manner of high power delegation on a serious business like this to prove to the whole world in very clear terms that you are a reliable politician. What makes yours icing on the cake? What makes it icing on the cake is the kind of delegation led by two distinguished senators. While I want you to know that I hate people that sit on the fence. I hate people who sit on the fence. Nobody in Nigeria can call me APC. Except people from Governor Makidi's camp. Nobody in the south, and I want to be recorded and posted. Nobody in Nigeria can call me APC because I have not been given to sitting on the fence. I'm a clear person. When I'm there, I'm there. When I'm with you, I'm with you. I don't play to the gallery. And I equally want to emphasize that it's only people from Governor Makinde's camp that can call me APC. But it's quick to remind them that when Governor Makinde wanted to contest election, I was one of the pillars of that election. When he wanted the Ediola Feso working committee of the Southwest to put the delegates in his support, if I had equally came on an influential mission to stop Ediola Feso, today we have been able to say it here because I know what Chief Ediola Feso and others did for Governor Makinde to become governor. If election is by delegates, but austerity will judge everybody. It is commonly said those who make a king are first victims of those the king. I will never support Ediola Feso without carrying people along. I was with Governor Makinde, and before I go into that, if they call me APC today, I was the one who raised Governor Makinde's hand up at his flag off at Ogbomoso. I followed him to Shomo of Ogbomoso's palace. That time I was not an APC member. When I came in support of his election, I was not an APC member. When I was at his swearing-in, I was not an APC member. I have always said, life is a matter of time. But the only thing that can give you the best in life is don't abandon your old landmarks and your old friends. Because when the new ones, when they possess you, they take out the whole of your good and being, your eyes will come down. I was governor with the likes of Tinubu of this world years back, and I had concluded 2 tenures completely out of office because before Governor Makinde became governor. And I'm not a contractor. There's no day I will come and say, come and give me contracts. And I will not join multitude to kill the innocent. I don't care what you are today. We have passed through it. For the rest of our life, for long. Tababa governor kankan sọ̀rọ̀, tababa ṣe ayọ̀ sí lọ́rùn ni o. Yóò sí ní category elébi o. Omi tí níwọ̀nba wà nínú àgbọn. Tán bá tún farabalẹ̀ gan, omi àgbọn yẹn wọ́n tún lè fi fọ ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ kò mọ́. Painstakingly. I am not the governor that will come and rubbish another governor. But tell any baby governor, you know me well. Tell any baby to take governor that the way up is the way down. I was born in Ibadan. I grew up in Ibadan. Ibadan does not belong to anybody. And the next thing is for you to go and be sponsoring talks against me. They will fall together. They will fall together. I say boldly. And I want to tell Governor Makinde, he should put feeding bottle to the mouth of his dogs. I have made my marks in Nigeria. He has just started. If you have money, it's your own. The money in my own is not part of your own. I want to say very clearly, we were with Governor Makinde, for which it is by courtesy also, because every state is independent of another. Ondo decides what they want. Ekiti decides by what they want. And it is obvious that we call you leader because you earn it, not because it's your title. Abi? Yes. I wasn't running away to fight Buhari. I didn't run away. I can't be in APC and be fighting Buhari. I cannot tell anybody, nobody can come and tell me what I don't want to do. I don't need Governor Makinde for anything. I'm not looking for anything. If God says there's still political ways, it is God, not man. I've gone past that level. I was governor at 42. He was governor at 51 or 52, 10 years after. So we started to enjoy life when we were young boys. Majority of people who are governor today are probably SA, commissioner, PA, but thank God for them coming up. I have not done anything to deserve insult from Governor Makinde. When Jegede SAN was contesting on those states, I stood by him. He's alive and he says it to everybody that I gave him financial support. I raised money for him. I came to public campaigns in those states. So I have no issue with Jegede. But if by association, Jegede feels I'm not important to him, no problem. And I'm not looking for anything, sir. And I remain in my enclave. If you need me, we'll work with you. This Southwest wants peace, and I want peace too. But we must know when we get to committees of leaders, who is a leader, who is a follower. Governor Makinde is my follower. Governor Makinde is my follower. There was no day that this former governor of Lagos State, no, Ambode or Sanwo-Olu, record me. There's no day Ambode or Sanwo-Olu has come out. Even Governor Wike has not come out to say that he's the leader of what is the former governor? Peter Odili. None of these people have said Tinubu, they are leaders of Tinubu. The fact that you are a governor does not translate to nothing. Respect begets respect. Respect begets respect. Even if we pack the whole of the Southwest ESCO for you, does it take away history that you are a small young man when we have stopped enjoying life? And to have a fish, I have to say, our in the day because Tabati the bench, Poabe, so not again. I saw they are tired. Then is how. You see, they were all waiting to win on those states to come and be oppressing us. Ori ọmọdé tó bá ní orí ẹyẹlé òní jẹ́ kó ẹyẹlé òní jẹ́ débẹ̀ o. I was the sole person that you saw in your election 4 years ago. Níbo náà ti wá dá àbádà sọ́run ọmọdé tó sọ pé òun máa tọ́nu ẹ̀ sí Gbàdàgì. Àbádà aṣọ ṣèmí wọ́n dá sọ́run ẹ̀hún kò lágbádá. Oníṣọ́ lè bẹ̀ convert sí Gbàdàgì. Ẹ jẹ́ ọ̀sà o. Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn bàbá wọn ni jẹ́ o. Ìmọ̀ àtàwọn àgàgù wọn jù mí lọ, mo dẹ̀ respect wọn lájọ sí gómìnà. Ìmọ̀ àtàwọn àgàgù. Àgàgù is a very foremost leader, a senior governor. I was in their set. Amboromba. Mi ìṣẹ́gbẹ́ wọn sá o. Tó o bá ní ká nítumọ̀, mi lè gbàgbọ́ ti gómìnà mọ́, bọ́ mo lè tàpá. O lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ kó máa bà lórúkọ jẹ́ tó ní rí nǹkan kan fi tó ní rògùn fi ṣe. Kó má dé wa mọ́tò ẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ sá o. I have an audience in this country. Tó o bá ti kọjá yìí, abẹ́rẹ́ sí sọ̀sọ́kùsọ nípa ẹ̀. Abẹ́rẹ́ sí sọ̀tàn tí ò yẹ kó gbọ́dọ̀ your state. Ṣùgbọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbàlagbà gbọ́dọ̀ túlé ká. Àgbàlagbà gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ sọ pé dandan wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ wọlé. Dẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́ mẹ́ra họ. Ajagun ni o tó ra àtògùn ní mo já o. First tenor ogun, second tenor ogun, èmi rè báyìí o. Wọ́n rò pé máa lọ sí FCC mi ní padà dé. kò sẹ́ni ológbò tó lọ lé ẹkùn tó pọ̀ ní akọni ni o ṣòkòtò kan lájọ wọ̀ ìsá o ìbá mi rìkọ́dù kí ni wọ́n ẹ̀kẹ́ sọ fún Mákindé kó gbọ́ o ṣòkòtò kan lájọ wọ̀ yìí ìbàntẹ́ òkè tó máa tu òkèni tó máa tu ẹni tó bá ti gbẹ̀yìn dání kó fọgbọ́n máa gbé o àwọn tó ti ṣògùn sí Mákindé ti pọ̀ kò jẹ́ kó gbọ́ táwọn èèyàn tó ràn lọ́wọ́ mọ́ wọ́n ti kọ́kọ́ lọ ẹ̀ àwọn aleluya ti kọ́kọ́ lọ ẹ̀ wọ́n ti gbé lọ sórí awọ wọ́n ti tà fún ìjọ wọ́n ti tà fáyé kò lè mú mi láìra aleluya condition critical ẹni tó bá ti láìsàn lára tí ò tètè bọ̀ òun ló burú jù Ayọ̀ Fáyọ̀ṣe lórúkọ mi o Ayọ̀ Fáyọ̀ṣe òjòkó mọ́lẹ̀ tá a bá ti sọ fún èèyàn pé dẹ́dẹ́ mẹ́ra họ Èkìtì ayé àṣìgbọ̀n dọ́ra lọ́ra wò bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà àṣìgbọ̀n kó dọ́ra lọ́ra wò rákẹ́ ìtòkò tó tẹ́lẹ̀ ọmọ tó mọ àṣìgbọ̀n ọmọ tó mọ wò mo lè jẹ ọmọdé lójú o ṣùgbọ́n máa gbà ní mí tó bá ṣàkíyèsí ogun tí mo ti yà ó yẹ kán ti mú mi stọ́dì dáadáa gbogbo ogun tó bá sọjọ́ pé mo ré pa ẹni tí Buhari gbé mo ré pa ẹni ẹ̀kẹta tó máa ṣáàjì mi sí kóòtù ni mo ń lọ mú bọ̀ ni ó bá ti mọ̀ tó wá sọ fún ẹ o ṣùgbọ́n tó bá ti lè lọ forí kó jàkárí wò la máa bẹ̀rù èyí o iṣẹ́ ayé la wà nínú ẹ̀ sá o má tọ́ mi o gbogbo ibi tó ń lọ nílọrin tó ń lọ ṣògùn nípa mi àwọn mẹ́rin tápátá nítorí mi Fáyọ̀ṣe kó tẹ́ kó kàbùkù nílọrin wọ́n rò pé mi ò mọ̀ ṣíọ̀ ẹjọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ bí púpọ̀ fún Ondo State.